Okay, guys. Good morning again to everybody. I think please check your chat because I have put the this design because like either you have to start from the beginning or you have to do this. Like we kind of I planned previously go for quite like go with 10 steps. So sorry guys, I'm having cough. Extremely sorry. So I want you to uh, basically teach inter-VLAN routing, enabling DHCP, creating VLAN in the switch, as well as uh, just do a basic OSPF route, enabling OSPF route, and configuring SSH, and to check the SSH. So if you notice, anyone who didn't get this design, please let me know. Um, in here, what I will do is now I configure this part. There are three floors actually, and created three. This is first floor, and have created VLAN 10, 20, 30 here. So I already done some changes here, so it can communicate internally, right? But if you take the other floors, second floor and third floor, it is not able to communicate in it. So what I did initially was, I will remind you, initially I went to these three routers. This router, if you take this router, you have three interfaces. One is serial 0/0/0, and it has another one serial 0/0/1, and gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So what I did was I enable all these interfaces. Just I will show you the configuration here. Show stat. I'm sorry. Where is it? Okay, let's go running configuration. So what I did initially was uh, I enable all these three interfaces. Okay, so and these are enabled. That's why. And VLAN 1 was defaultly shut down. So, and here version is mentioned. VLAN 10. Okay. So then what I did was I there are two uh, interfaces, serial interfaces. I have set the clock rate into 64,000. Okay. I will show it here. Mm, is it there? Encapsulation enable. Let's bring no. Here. Okay, go to the interface, type clock rate 64,000. You have to be inside the interface, okay? As well as you have to be config terminal. Then I went to the switch, okay? I went to the switch, and what I was what I was did was like I have I will show the switch as well. Don't do any clock changes to the clock. Well, sorry, any changes, clock changes in the switch or something. So what I did was I have enabled this VLANs. Okay. First, I go to the enable configuration terminal and I create access ports. Access ports, guys. This is the switch, which is these devices are connected. So these ports are access ports. That means fast internet 03, 02, 04, 05, 06, 07. But not fast internet 01. It is connected to the router, not to the end device, access devices. So which I did was went to the switch. Okay, let's create a text document. Then I can share it with you. Okay. Step one. Uh, what I did was enablement. If I'm missing something, please let me know. As example, I will give one. Mhm. Second step I did was with hash, these are the mm, instructions. Okay. I know you guys don't want to get up early in the morning and join into the class. Instead, you are getting the recording. So it is very easy. But don't come and ask me questions after looking at this recordings and all that, because I already have given you the access. So you better, if you have uh, any doubt, anything like related to this you want to learn. Sorry, spellings. Oh, you. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Anything you want to learn? You join and you ask. Because I have shared this link with batch 57, 60, 65, 64, 66. And 64 and 66, it's your lecture today. But others who have interest, you can join and learn. Without having any interest and all that, just looking at the video and gonna learn or something, it's up to you. Okay, none of my problem at all. Okay, so then again, upgrades. මට කමාරු වෙන එකකින්ද මම ටිකක් උගන්වනවා වැඩිපුර ඒකයි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට ගණන් ගන්න. 64,000. Okay, guys. We did this part, all this done in the router. ඒකත් දාන්නද නැත්තම් විශ්වාසයක් නැතයිනේ. Okay. This also done in the router. Clear, right? Akila, are you there? Anyone? Then nobody's here. I'm the only one. Okay, good. VLANs created.
So, hello, sir. So that means, I mean, the enable router mean that, I mean, it is the configuration for the routers, right?
It is like enabling a router interface. Sorry. Good. Thank you so much. We are enabling the routing interface, Shamha. Like Shamha, right?
Nuzla, sir.
Okay, Nusra, sorry. So what we do is like defaultly these interfaces are down. Like
Okay.
these interfaces are shut down. So
Okay.
while what we do is we are enabling using no shutdown command, and it will be up. Otherwise, configuration won't. We cannot. I mean, check the configuration. That's why. So basically, what we do is we kind of uh, configuring the IPs, and we just say no shutdown. But here, I start with upping all the routing interfaces. That's what I did. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Did
Okay,
you
sir.
get the design packet tracer file from
Yeah,
the?
sir, done, sir.
Okay. Is anyone having any questions? Okay. Then again, switches, VLANs. So first step is you have to enable. This is in the switch. We're gonna do it. Okay. Inside the switch, I'll mention. Enable the switch. Then again, conf D. Okay. Again, go to the interface. Now there's a range. I will say fast Ethernet 0/224 something. I'm just giving a value, okay? So if you have to go to fast Ethernet 01, 02, and you have to do it again and again to finish the configuration. Again, you have to go to interface fast Ethernet, not without range, okay? Fast Ethernet 3. Then again, you have to go to interface fast Ethernet 4, just like that. So without doing all these, one by one, what we do is go to the range, interface range, fast Ethernet 0/2 to 4. That means 2, 3, 4, all are included. Okay. Then we're gonna do is switch port mode access. So then again, switch port access VLAN. Let's say VLAN 10 or something. VLAN 10. Don't go for VLAN 1. VLAN 1 is a default one. You cannot use it. 2 onwards you can, 10, 100, 200, 300, whatever. Okay. So we say switch port access VLAN 10. So then this port number 2, 3, 4 will be allocated under VLAN 10. If you want to add another port during other configuration, what you do is just say interface range fast or interface fast Ethernet 0/7 enter, then again switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. Then 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 7 is allocated under VLAN 10. Got it? Any questions? And you say even you can use to write, then it will be written inside. Okay, we did this this configuration, and the last one we did was now I start with fast internet port two, but here this port is fast internet 01. So as I told you, these are access port. This is not an access port. So to communicate, we have to make this one as trunk. Okay. So how to do it is just go to the interface. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, sorry. මට පේන කට්ටියම නිදිමත ඉන්න කියලා. Switchboard mode trunk. That's all you have to do. හරිද? මේක හදලා අපි તો මේක හදලා මෙතෙන්ට එකක් අපි කරා කියලා.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, excuse me. Sir, in enabling routing without putting IP address.
No, it's what enabling routing, not routing, enabling the ports. No shutdown. You are enabling the interface, not the port interface. So it is not allowing you to communicate because there's no IP addresses. But the port is up. The interface is up. Okay. So interface is up. So router is identifying the interface is up and it's identifying the MAC address of the switch and all that. Switch can also identify the MAC address of router. So it is up. That's all. Later we're gonna allocate IP addresses. So in the process, so it won't be a problem. Okay, Prasanta, get it?
Okay, sir.
Let's go to now this interface. Sorry, switch. This interface of the switch. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't think I have done enabling the switch. Current TV. I haven't made this switch port as trunk. Go to the interface, pass Ethernet 0/1, and I'm going to make it as switch port mode trunk. Okay. And I'm going to go to this switch as well. Oh, sorry. Interface, pass Ethernet 0/1. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, done. Okay, then again, so let's say to switch okay, number 5, adding IP addresses. Router interface. Enable multi. තමයි මේ දවස්වල ඩෙන්ගු හැදෙයි ඒ හින්දා පොඩ්ඩක් පරිස්සම් වෙන්න. තියෙන තැන් මේව කරගන්න like while doing this මම ඩෙන්ගු වතුරෙන් දැක්ක එකයි වටකට කිව්වේ. එකපාරට පායලා වැස්සම වතුර පෙරනවා පරිස්සම් වෙන්න. Double A interface. අපි කියමු 0/0/0 කියලා. මේ ඉන්ටර්ෆේස් එකට ගියා. ඊට පස්සේ IP address 10.10.10.1. දැන් මෙතන මේ ඉන්ටර්ෆේස් එක මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 10.10.10.0 කියන්නකෝ. එතකොට මේ network එක 30 කියන subnet එකේ තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මෙතන මේ ඉන්ටර්ෆේස් එක මම කරනවා 10.10.10.1 කියලා. එතකොට මේක 10.10.10.2, right? 30 means you can have maximum 2 IP addresses because first one 0 will be a network IP and 3 will be broadcast IP. 30 කියන්නේ 252 කියන එක. 255.255.255 255.252 මේක එකපාරට ඔලුවට එන්නේ නැත්නම් මුල ඉඳන් ආපහු ගිහිල්ලා මගේ ලෙක්චර්ස් ටික බලලා පුරුදු වෙලා එන්න. ආයි කියලා දෙන්නේ නෑ පුතේ මෙතෙන්ට එනකොට පොල තියෙන IP addressing ඔක්කොම ටික. මුල ටික බැලුවේ නැත්නම් තේරෙන්නේ නෑ. හරිද? මන් දන්නේ එහෙම නැතුව කරන්න බෑ වැඩේ. Okay? Right. Then again මෙතන දාන්න ඕනේ subnet mask එක 255.255.255.252. Okay? Again configuration වලට කම්මැලි වෙන්න එපා ළමයි. ටික දවසකින් මේවා හරියනවා. මේක do right කියලා මම මෙතන දාන්නේ මොකද right කරන්න බෑ මේ configuration interface එකේ ඉඳන්. do right කියලා ගහපුවම right වෙනවා. Okay? So start of configuration එකට මේක right වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ පැටි save කරපුවම මේක save වෙනවා. නැත්නම් මේක අයින් වෙනවා. ඒකයි ඈ. then අනිත් ports වලටත් ඔය කට්ටිය IP assign කරගන්න ඕනේ. to assign IP for other interfaces. Okay, good. Other interfaces කියන්නේ මෙතන serial interface දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ දෙකට IP assign කරගන්න. හරිද? gigabit internet එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒකට assign කරන්න යන්න එපා. Okay? දැන් එතකොට මේ වෙනකන් මම හිතන්නේ අපි මේක දාමු please desktop file එක your design text එක okay 1 2 3 4 5 so and seriously this one also doing in the switch and 5 this one doing inside the router. Okay, now come to the router. Now I'm going to do inter VLAN routing. All other things are done here, so I'm gonna come to the CLI here. Can you guys hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear, sir.
Okay, understand. Thank you. Yeah, what I'm going to do is this VLAN is VLAN 40. This one is VLAN 50. Okay. So So these VLANs cannot communicate with each other, right? 40 and 50, they cannot communicate with each other. I will show you here. Okay. Even okay. Even we cannot do it because even we cannot enable the IP addresses here because we haven't done DHCP as well. So what we do is inter VLAN routing, we kind of allowing it to route. Okay, so allowing it to communicate with inter VLAN. So for that purpose, we're gonna go to the routing interface, enable it, configuration mode. Okay, good. And go to the interface. So it is this interface. Gigabit 0/0. Okay. Interface gig 0/0 dot uh, the IP address we have enabled here was say 4 something. Wait, I did a mistake here. I'll check it from here. Okay, we are beginning at 0, 10. This way, this way. And this data. Okay, my bad, my bad. Okay, initially you have to go to the interface, click 0 slash fast internet 0 slash sorry, dot 40. Okay, And what I do is I set the encapsulation ENC and tab. You will getting encapsulation dot tab dot IQ 40. So wait until this configuration. I will tell what I'm doing here. So I'm going to put IP address 192.168.4 dot 1. And subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay. So what I did was, now here there are VLAN 40 and VLAN 50. So router, this interface is saying I'm like putting showing there are two routes, VLAN, inter-VLAN routes are available. So in this interface, I said there are two inter-VLAN routings are enabled. So for that one, I'm enabling 192.168.4.1 port for that purpose, IP address. So because we cannot put IP addresses in the switch, so we are doing it inside the router. Again, we have to enable this range routing, inter-VLAN routing for this range is using here like this. Now we can do the same. This one have to be then 50. So VLAN 50. Okay. Inside that we can say encapsulation. Encapsulate, we go encapsulate it dot 1Q. It have to be 50. Enter. And we can say the IP address 5.1. Okay. Please give the when we are enabling DHCP, we have to put a default router, right? Default router IP. Please put that IP address here. Then it will be very easy for you to configure the domain host control protocol, DHCP, enabling DHCP. Right? Okay. Time to write. Great. So in the router, we did the configuration. We create two VLAN, encapsulate the VLANs, and inter VLAN routings are enabled. So then again, what you have to do is inside, okay, I'm gonna exit from here and I'm gonna enabling DHCP. Say service DHCP. Now I'm going to type IP DHCP pool. Let's say VLAN 40, right? Now network is 192.168.4.0 255.255.255.0. Okay, and default router will be 192.168.4.1. Can you remember? Previously I mentioned here, we have put 4.1 here, right? So I'm gonna put 4.1 here, enter, and DNS. Same IP 192.168.4.1. If you're having a separate DHCP server here, please put that DHCP server's ID. Okay. Before that, you have to configure DHCP server. Okay. To right. Any questions up to now? Let's go to this interface. Questions you can ask, huh? Let's see, whether it's gonna, yeah, see, 192.168.4.2. I'm also going here. I'm not quite sure we can do the DHCP here. Okay, 4.3. Even I think this one also. Okay, 4.1. Okay, here what it happened is we only did configuration for enabling DHCP for 192.168.4.0 network. We didn't do any configuration for, enabling DHCP inside VLAN 5. So that's why it's not allowing it to happen. So now I'm going to say here as 50, inside 50 network have to be 5.0. Default router 5.1. Yeah, so 5.1. Say do not answer. Okay, let's go and check. See, done. Okay, please do the configuration for flow 3 as well. Okay, shall I write it down here? 6. Just go to interface, big 0/0. Okay, guys. N sorry, N cap 0 encapsulation encapsulation dot sorry here it dot 0 dot 40 means the VLAN number. Within brackets VLAN number එහෙම දාන්න එපා, okay? එහෙම කරන අය ඉන්නේ අපිට 1Q40 again IP address 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0 right. Then again to right place to for rest of elements. Okay, now 7 enabling DHCP. What I did was service DHCP IP DHCP to VLAN 40. Sorry. Then network address 192.168.4.0 network 255.255.255.0. Then again default router 192.168.4.1 as it mentioned in the previously while we are doing inter-VLAN routing. DNS server the same IP. So this rest of VLANs. we are doing this inside the router. Also doing this inside the router. Boring වගේද නිදර කට්ටිය ඈ ඊට පස්සේ ඔච්චර මැරෙන්න ඕනේ නැති හින්දා අපි OSPF enable කරමු router එකේ. හරිද? එතකොට what we gonna do is මේ router එකට ගියා exit එකක් ගහලා මේකේ අපි මේ all මෙතන ඉඳන් මේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම එන්න මේ network එක හරිද? මෙන්න මේ network IPs ටික enable කරන්න ඕනේ router OSPF enable කරලා. හරිද? OSPF දාන්න යන්නේ අලුත් වැඩක්. Okay enable කරා configuration mode එකට ආවා. අපි ගහනවා දැන් router OSPF 10 සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එක value එකක්. දැන්ට එහෙම යන්න පස්සේ මම උකට ඉන්ඩිකේට් කියලා දෙන්නම්. ඊට පස්සේ network මේකේ තියෙන්නේ 10.10.10.4 10.10.10.8 ඒ දෙක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම 10.10. sorry 10.4 subnet එක 30 ඒ කියන්නේ 255.255.255.252 මේක network එකම දෙන්නේ network ID එක දෙන්නේ network එකට access කරන්න network එකට කියන්නේ route කරන්න all the routings end enable කරන්න. එතකොට ඒක area 0 හරිද? area 0 කියලා ගහන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? එතකොට මෙන්න මෙතන ඕකේ loading වෙලා done වෙලා up වෙලා down වෙලා up වෙලා ඒක හදනවා. එතකොට මේ interface එකෙන් එන යන ඕනම traffic එකක් OSPF හරහා ඒක enable වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මෙහෙන් ඇතුළට එනවා මෙතනින් එළියට යනවා ටික. හරිද? ඕකම තමයි ඔය කට්ටියට මම අර static routing වලදී කියලා දුන්නේ. interface එකක් දැන් මෙතනින් එනවනම් පිටින් එනවට මෙන්න මෙතන interface එක මේ කට්ටිය මෙතන network එක enable කරලා දුන්නා. next hop එකයි interface එකයි next hop එකයි දෙකම දාන්න කියලා දුන්න static වලදී. ඒක මම ලේසි කරලා මෙතන ගහනවා ඔක්කොම VLANs අරකේ VLANs එකින් එකට ඔක්කොම දාන්න ඕනේ. මෙතන OSPF එකට දුන්නාම OSPF එක මේකේ dynamic routing හදා ගන්නවා. right? okay static මේ dynamic OSPF පුණු කැලක් කියලා දෙන කවුලක් නැහනේ. ඒ හින්දා මම OSPF ටික දෙන්නම් ඔය කට්ටියට ඔය ටික බලා ගන්න වෙනම ડોකියුමන්ට් එකක් මම හිතන්නේ batch number 65 වලට මම දුන්නා. මම ඒකම අප්ලෝඩ් කරලා දානවා ඔය පැත්තට. okay then again go to the next interface. So it's done. Okay. I'm going to change it here to 8. Again here 192.168.4.0 network. 255.255.255.0. Okay, good. Now here it have to be 5. Okay. Do right. Okay. OSPF. We have enabled OSPF. So please go and check. Please go and do the configuration for this route as well. Okay. So let's check. It says failed. Yeah, it's successful, right? See? Okay. We did OSPF, that means routing as well. Do you want me to update this configuration file? Yeah? ඒක ඕනෙත් නැත්තම් මේ මෙච්චරක් ඇතිද ට්‍රින් හැට මේක දාන්න ඕනෙද එපාද මොකද කියන්නේ Okay, Charlotte. I'm really disappointed only for I have sent to all the batches. Okay, no worries. It's not my future, it's your future. Opening. First beer. Network 10.10.10.4 here 255.255.255.252. And I did a mistake. I will tell you what is it. Area 0. So please do it. What is the other interface here? 8 ne? Pang 8 karke kare nae. Make 8 karanna kattiya. Here 192.168. 0 network IP. Yeah? So it will be 5.0. मतलब राउटर का की मैं कर लेना हूँ. और नेटवर्क कर लेने. Okay, good. Happy. Okay. So please do it for the other routers. Okay. Now the last part, I want to configure SSH. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, now this is inside the router. In router. Switch. Personal computer can what I mean is the computer inside this this design, not your personal computer. I'm not quite sure you guys will do it in that manner, Kela. So that's what I'm saying. Okay. Then SSH configuration. Okay. Then again, go to the router. Don't worry about this. They always checking it and getting the routing done. That's a normal thing. So in the configuration terminal, say we can create let's go to the this one. Router. Enable country. Let's say first name. This is flow only. F1 router. Okay. So initially it was router, now it's changed to F1 router. Okay, see that? Okay. So let's say IP domain. country domain. Name is Vikas. Okay, I create a domain name. Then again, username. Let's say Vikas also. And you have to put the password as password also Vikas, right? Not Vikas. Okay. So then again, I'm gonna give the crypto. I'm gonna encrypt the key. So let's give what crypto key generate. Let's go for RSA. It's then ask what is the key value. So let's say 1000. It says 512 or whatever. Let's say 1024. Okay. It's create key value 1024. Now let's say line VTY 0 to 50. Okay. Good. And let's say login local enter transport input SSH. Let's write this. Okay. So we enable SSH here. And let's go to the next router, router 2. Okay, good. Let's say change the host name to this is flow 2. Okay, it's changed into the name is changed. IP domain. IP domain name. Same like flows name. Same domain, na? Then again, username because password because let's say crypto to generate RSA is 1024. Okay, time VTY 0 to 50. Ito na pakalanan ka nga PVTY ka dalawa. login, local, and enable login local, transport, input, SSH, secure host, sorry, secure shell. And let's try do that as well. Okay. Okay. Let's check. Yeah, there's a question. So SSH configuration means we are encrypting data which travel through, yes. And as well as you can connect to the router interface using inside from inside this what you call a PC or whatever the device. Okay, so let's see this one. Let's check. What is this? Sorry. Yeah, asking for the password. Okay, you are inside router. What? Okay, it's whatever, like you are inside the router only. Okay. Yeah. Not necessary. Sorry. Thank you so much, Sharon. Okay. So just check with this as well and do the configuration here as well. So that's another thing that I want to teach you. It is like how to do the port security in the switch. Uh, let's do it in another class. Let's say a physical, no, another uh, online class for IPsec and what are the things that we have to cover other than that? VPNs and VPNs. We covered SSH, VLAN routing, and OSPF, and can anyone tell me what are the things that we have to cover? Frame relay we have to cover, and VPN, frame relay, every second my VPN are the same, right? So don't worry about it. Um, I think it's enough. It's kind of lot. So let's update this one as well with the configuration. Any questions you can ask now? Um, hurry up, guys. So first name. හැමෝම දැන් F1 flow 1 router කියලා දායි දන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ. That's why I'm asking you guys to participate for the lectures. Otherwise, you will be getting something else. I don't know. You guys are knowing more than me. Okay, we're not in. right එකකුදා එක ඉවර කරමු check කරන්න එක ඕනේද yes I will මේක ගහ බලලා copy කරලා paste කරලා එහෙම අහුවෙන්නේ නැහැ මට ඊට පස්සේ කියාගෙන ඉන්න එපා ඔක්කොටම එකම IP එක දාගෙන හරිද check SSH මේක PC එකකින් යන්නේ see you are doing I mean amazing things now right this is the domain name because this is the IP address 10.10.10.1 prompt for the password password done ඔයාලට දාපු හින්දා okay guys it seems no questions to ask wait I will
Hello, sir.
okay good I will save this one this is and I will share stop sharing and I will put okay first I have to take a screenshot otherwise they will request for the evidence no okay then again I'm gonna put these files into the chat guys this is the configuration file and this is the design file I completed up to now කම්මැලි වෙලා ඔය දෙකම අරගෙන මේව කරගන්න එපා just use wisely because you guys have to learn right something okay Asantha Akila Chanuka and Nusla thank you so much for participating for the session and yeah I'm gonna participants yes I'm gonna yeah text file I have sent can you check Chanuk again no there are two files
Sir,
yeah
sir,
yes
sir,
yes I can hear you
sir, can you explain the from sequential that from the enabling part.
Secure shell.
Secure shell that is
Configuration
giving
part.
value. No, sir. That is giving a value 1024
Yeah.
and the
It's RST. It's the it's key. It's the key size, key length. Right now, it's we RSA means encryption method. Okay, so we have 512, 256, 512, 1024, just like that key value. You will be learning this in the network security part. Don't worry. Now, this is the encryption key value. So without giving a key value, you can go for 512, but 1024 is very strong. So that means you will be getting a key which have that value. So two-way handshake. Now this is kind of you have to have that key, otherwise uh, you cannot SSH. So that's why we give this security feature. So yeah, that's it. So don't worry about it in the next semester, or if you are doing NS with me, network security, so you can learn this, right? Any questions? Shall I stop recording?
okay.